What's up, goddess gang? Today we are back and I'm so excited. I'm more excited than probably ever because we finally get to unbox day 14. Thank you so much, Madam Glam. If you guys don't know, I'm gonna let you know that you can save 30% on all of your Madam Glam purchases with my discount code GoddessNails30. And day 14, I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. Be sure to smash that like button. Oh my gosh, I'm about to freak out, you guys. Hold on. Look at this. It is beautiful. I'm gonna open it. Hold on. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so stunning. Oh, I am obsessed. This is literally so beautiful. So I think I want to make this. I think I know what I want to do with this. I want to do something really nice with this. I know what I want to do with this. Okay, so I have that. I got the pudding gel. We got the top coat, the base coat. We also got the lamp or whatever. Oh, we got that beautiful green, the mini. Of course, we have our foils. We have our application brush. What am I forgetting? Hold on, you guys. So 3, 4. Okay, I know what those are. 5, I know what that one was. 6. All right, 6, 7. 7. What was 7? Hold on. Okay, that was the mountain peak. That was like a brown, gray. Oh, but that one, no. Don't need that one. Number 8 was the blue liner. Don't need that one. Number 9. Okay, so number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 14. I'm probably gonna use in a set very soon. Yes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I already know how I want them to look. Oh man, I don't know. I'm so excited. I don't know how I should do them though. Like, should I do them all one shape or should I do multiple shapes? I almost want to do like some coffin and some stiletto, but then I kind of want to do all coffin and then I want to do all stiletto. Should I do one hand coffin and one hand stiletto? I don't know, but tomorrow we get to open a brush. I'm assuming a brush of some sort because it's in this long box. We'll have to see. And then 16, and then 17, and then 18. Oh my gosh, I can't. Let's slow down, you guys. So I'm going to be creating a set very soon. I'm literally so excited. I'm so thankful. That glitter is stunning. You guys, I'm not going to swatch it because you guys are going to have to see it when I create my beautiful nail set. I kind of have an idea of what I want to do. It's going to be very beautiful. I'm just imagining it. Oh my gosh. All right, you guys. Well, anyways, smash that like button. Definitely comment down below and let me know what you thought of today's mystery box. I'm just mesmerized. Like, oh my gosh, it's so Christmas. Gold, green, red. I think there was even like a little silver in there. Anyways, you guys, all right. And so today it's a little early. I'm about to get to work. I am removing my nails. I'm trying to consider if I want to just trim them down, shave them off, and then use nail forms to create some stilettos because I don't really have any stiletto tips. And I was thinking of just shaving these all the way down and making them into stiletto, but less filing the better. So I'm thinking of trimming them, shaving them down, and then using nail forms, and then that way I can make them the length that I want as well, because these are not long enough, honestly. Like, they're cute, but they're not that long. And I've been doing very well with them. Surprisingly, I've been doing so good with my nails, and it is such a blessing. When you learn that they're jewels, not tools, then things work out so wonderfully. You get to enjoy your beautiful nails. But anyway, so yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning into this video. I am about to film a bit this evening, and I'm really excited. I did some editing yesterday. What did you guys think of my intro and outro? I'm not sure that I'm going to use it yet. I think I'm going to use it soon, but I want to make sure it's perfect. So let me know what you guys think. And you guys know you can always direct message me on Instagram at @ScorpionGoddessNails. Be sure to visit my blog, www.scorpiongoddessnails.blog. I haven't even been on there today yet. I've been cleaning, actually. I repotted 2 plants today. I cleaned up the backyard and made it look beautiful again. And I'm just really like super thankful to be doing that stuff. The weather was so nice that I couldn't resist just doing some things that needed to get done. And I'm hoping my plants are going to be okay. They both got repotted in completely new soil, so I'm keeping an eye on them. And I'm gonna be I have so much like in mind, I just haven't executed yet. So you guys are gonna see a lot of updates, and I will keep you guys posted as always. Until next time, I love you so much. Ahala. Peace.